to fix Snapchat error could not connect. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you have issues with connecting to your Snapchat app, you just have to follow the steps in this video, and I promise that at the end of this video you will be able to connect to your Snapchat app. So first of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection is good. So make sure that you have an Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi doesn't work, you can switch to your data. So after that, if it still doesn't work, you have to go to your phone settings. Then here you have to scroll down and go to apps. And then here you have to search for your Snapchat app, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Snapchat. Click on the app. Then scroll down, go to storage, and here you have to clear the data and the cache. So click on these two buttons at the bottom of the page. And you can also uninstall the app by clicking right here at the bottom of the page on the uninstall button. So after that, you can also go to your Google Play or Play Store, search for your Snapchat, and then make sure that your app is fully updated. So if you have an update button, you can go ahead and update your app. So after that, if you still have issues, you can go to a web browser that you have and then go to support Snapchat and report this problem to them. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. If you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.